Friends, we are dealing with the chapter reproduction in flowering plant. इसमें हमें क्या क्या पढ़ना है? How is the reproduction process in the plant? What are the different organs related with the reproduction process in the plant? Now we are start reproductive part of the plant. What is the reproductive part of the plant? It is a flower. Flower has two main parts. It is accessory part and next one is the main part, that is reproductive part. Accessory part is also known as non-essential part of the plant, and accessory reproductive part, it is also known as essential part of the flower or essential part of the plant. Now what are the different parts of the flower? A typical structure of, we are dealing with the typical structure of flower. Flower has reproductive organ or reproductive part, male reproductive part and female reproductive part. Male reproductive part of the flower, it is known as stamen, and female reproductive part of the flower, it is known as pistil. So what comes under the stamen and pistil? Stamen, what is stamen? Suppose this one is lobular structure and this is the thread-like structure. This thread-like structure, it is known as filament, and this globular structure, it is known as anther. And anther and filament together known as stamen. So what is the difference between stamen and androecium? Do you know? Stamen is the unit of androecium. And what is androecium? Androecium is the collection of stamen. Unit is stamen and collection is androecium. What is anther? Anther is globular part and it has partition or chambers. When the anther has two lobes, ये anther है और anther में क्या है? दो. ये this one one and this one is second. दो lobes अगर है, two lobes, then this type of anther, it is known as biathecus. And this portion which divide the anther into two lobes, इसको हम क्या कहेंगे? Connective. Means two anther is having two lobes, and such type of anther it is known as diathecous or biathecous anther. Now next, filament. What is filament? It is a thread-like structure. Female organ, it is known as pistil. Female reproductive organ, it is known as pistil. Pistil क्या है? What is pistil? Now see the structure. This one stigma, this one is style, and this one is ovary. This all three together, it constitute the pistil. Pistil is a unit. Unit किसका है? It is a unit of gynoecium. Means we can say that gynoecium is the female reproductive organ, as well as we can say the pistil is also known as female reproductive part of the flower. Now stigma is somewhat sticky and it is helpful for the attachment of pollen grain to the where on the stigma. Style allows the pollen grain to enter into the pollen tube, to enter into the ovary. What is ovary? Here the egg or female gamete is formed. Now we will study about the male reproductive part, that is anther. एंथर देखेंगे. एंथर के बाद हम लोग देखेंगे माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम। माइक्रोस्पोरेंजियम के हम लोग देखेंगे माइक्रोस्पोर, एंड आफ्टर दैट माइक्रोस्पोर पोलन ग्रेन। इसी को हम क्या कहेंगे, मेल गैमेटोफाइट। यानी हम लोग अभी किसका डिटेल स्ट्रक्चर देखेंगे, मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव पार्ट ऑफ द फ्लावर इन द प्लांट्स। नाउ एंथर को हम लोगों ने स्टडी किया, सी दिस इज अ प्रीमोर्डियम, व्हाट आई कॉल्ड इट एज प्रीमोर्डियम, एकदम बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द प्लांट यानी लीफ, जहाँ से हमारे रिप्रोडक्टिव ऑर्गन स्टार्ट होंगे फॉर्म होना। सपोज दिस स्ट्रक्चर प्रीमोर्डियम, यहाँ पे ऐसा स्ट्रक्चर ड्रॉ होना हो गया इस तरह से। these are the cells and these are normal cells, diploid cells. Do you know what is meant by diploid? Having two sets of chromosome, means 2n. We called it as diploid. If the any organ, any particular part consists of single set of chromosome, then we called it as haploid. So these cells are diploid in nature. डिप्लॉयड है यानी क्या हो गया, प्लॉइडी लेवल। बच्चों प्लॉइडी लेवल क्या हो गया, 2n। These are the leaf primordium. From this